right. I hope this puts everything in the video, because sometimes it doesn't when you do a short. I don't know if I'll do a short or not, but just in case. Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. So this is the new thing that I was telling you about, that I was going to try to get you guys a discount on. But, you know, everybody doesn't want to give out the discount. I did get this off of Amazon, but it is a Vevor, but I haven't seen the price that I paid. These normally run like $100 and something, 150, all the way up to like 6,000 through Tower Garden. But I have been eyeballing these for a long time and trying to find prices that I'm okay with. I have it under the Let pot, so the light from that, I'll definitely use that. I assume when I fill it with water, it's not going to be lightweight to turn, but we'll see. It does have feet at the bottom where you can turn it yourself, but I didn't. I didn't want to do that because I don't want to pop it off and then it leaning over. I would rather it stay flat on the ground. I've never used it before. Don't want it to. Don't want a leg to pop off and then it starts leaning and leaking. So what you're seeing here now are strawberry roots. So I've never done this before. I'm trying something new because I mean, hey, why not? So I soaked my strawberries overnight and I'm going to see if I can grow strawberries in this. And if I can, that will be so great. And I can bring you guys on that journey with me. So I just put these in. And then it comes with a little funnel that's super cute. So you can put your fertilizer in here. You take the cap off. If I can get it off. I can get it off right now. My finger hurts. But if you can take the cap off. Let me do the other one. Okay. So there you go. Refill it with water. Or use your fertilizer. So I did get A and B plant food again. Vivo Sun, I believe that's that container, the two up there, A and B. It was like $34. They claim it was a sale, but I doubt it. 8 ounces was like 15. So I was like, well, I'll just get this. That's 32 ounces each, so might as well. So yeah, I wanted to come on and show you guys that this is what I was trying to get you guys a discount on, so you guys can grow in your home as well. I'm still going to take you on the journey, whether these strawberries fail or not. I am going to plant a few seeds. It won't be tonight, but I'm going to plant a few seeds to put in here to fill this up. I did put the strawberries in the bottom because I wanted to sit on the bottom part or hang or whatever. We'll see what else I put in because as far as staking anything up, I don't see how I can do that. Not sure, but there are some holes in there. I'll figure something out. Maybe I can put like a stick or something in there to hold it up. We will see. It does. No, actually, this is where the water comes out. The water comes out there. And then when I plant everything, I will show you guys again, but I just wanted to show you the strawberry roots that I put in, and then I will fill it, and then I'll come back and show you guys just how it works with everything else in it. So we're going to plant the seeds and then start some seeds, and then get it going. Now, I do have, it does come with these grates. It does come with these. So that's good. You have those, but you have to buy your own, what do you call it? Seed starting kit, I guess, because the one that it came with is just foam. So I was like, I don't see seeds growing in foam. I just don't. But if somebody else knows something that I don't, hey, let me know. But I have some from before that the Let Pot uses, so I'm going to use those for this because I mean I've used them before and I feel like they work. The growing medium, I guess it's not soil, it's just the growing medium. So we will see, guys, and I'm definitely going to update you and show you the seeds that I'm going to grow. I don't know how I'm going to label them. Now that's another thing. Maybe some kind of sticker, but it's like, will it come off? Yeah, who knows? So I don't know. We'll see. I know these are strawberries. So other than that, this is the beginning of the hydroponic system. So we'll see how everything goes, and I'll take you on that journey with me as I progress each week and each day. Whiskers, get down. I can't be acting out, y'all. He is a mess. Okay, so yeah, I will definitely keep you guys, excuse me, up to date on everything we're doing with this Vevor hydroponic system. I like it because of the thought of it. So we'll see if it actually works or if it works for us. If not, then hey, I will let you guys know. So like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Find new ways to grow. One way doesn't work, find a new way. I'm growing strawberries outside and inside. We'll see. Many blessings.